Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First of all, to get started, I just added a video that I preferred to use as my background into the timeline. Ensure that the blue line is positioned in the desired location before adding any text, as this is where your text is going to be added into your sequence. Then go down and select the Type tool. If you click left and hold, you will see two options. Type text as vertical or regular. I'll pick the regular one. Now, go to Program Monitor and click on it. It will appear a red box, and inside that red box you can type your text. Now you can see your graphic is automatically appearing above your video clip on the timeline. You can move the clip to change where your text shows up in your video. Also, you can drag the edge of the text clip to adjust the duration of the text clip. Once you're done with your text, click back on the graphic and you can edit your text with two panels. One is under Effect Control and other one is Essential Graphics. If you don't have these panels in your Premiere Pro, go to Windows, and you will find both Effect Control and Essential Graphics in there. Make sure to tick both panels. If you want to change your text needs to be select first. To activate the red box, you can click on the T in Essential Graphics panel, or you can click on the text in the Effect Control. If you click outside of the box, it will add another text box. So, make sure to click on the correct text you need to edit. You can select the text by clicking in the box and highlight, or you can double-click inside the box and it will select all inside the box, or you can click Ctrl+A to select all inside the box. Let's see how to adjust the text that you added. First of all, as I mentioned before, you must select your text to start adjusting. You can start your edit with Essential Graphics or Effect Control. Both has same tools, and except, with Essential Graphics you can align your text to center. Let's edit the text with Effect Control. You can change the font style, if it is regular or bold, and font size from upper layer. From second layer you can change the alignment of the text inside the red box, and from the third layer you can change the space between fonts, space between lines, font styles like bold, italic, all uppercase, small uppercase letters, underline the text, and some other edits. From the appearance layer you can change the font color, stroke color, and size, front background and color and shadow. You can play around and explore more features, make a comment and share your experience and ideas with us. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks again for your support, and see you in the next tutorial.